for this Blender how-to video, we're gonna do how to extrude multiple objects to with the same height. So Shift A, Mesh, UV sphere, S, make it bigger, right? And so we're gonna select just a few faces. And we're gonna do Shift D, A, P by loose parts, and then we're gonna do the same to a few others. Now we have 4 faces here, and let's say we want to create like a pillar for all of them, so they extend out of this without issue, and they're the same height, because you don't want to like one extrude and then one and then do the others. You kind of want to do it all, but this is for doing them all at once. So what you can do is select all of them. Right, cool. Or just like this, and you go to, sorry, we need to be in object mode. All right, select all of them, object, join, then go to tab, press A. Instead of pressing extrude region, because if you extrude region, actually that's not bad, yeah, okay. I guess that works. But yeah, if you just wanted like this, then that works. But let's say you wanted to like straight where that face itself is pointing, you would go to extrude, allot normals, and then you could also do it like that. Yeah. Then tab 3 or 4. Actually, so it's extrude along the normals, or where the face is facing itself. So you really don't have to worry too much. But yeah, this is how you can extrude multiple objects with the same height, in case you separate them and then you have to add them back together and put them in different places. But like this, you could also just choose each location, extrude, and that'd be fine as well. But I guess this is if you want to separate each of these objects a little further, and then maybe do some modeling to the legs, and then have them repeat over. But yeah, definitely terrible example. So hope that helps if you're just looking to duplicate and extrude parts of an object with the same height. So yeah, best of luck and sorry about that.